Hello everyone, welcome back to English Odyssey with me. Right now I again came back in front of you with another new videos. Today I hope you are fit and fine, and I hope you are all are doing fantastic. I'm also doing great. Today I came in the morning time in outside because to say something in front of you. Okay, so let's begin. Today I get up early in the morning, and but I don't used to walking in the morning every day, but today I worked a long time, and right now I am making these videos to improve my English speaking, because told you before that making videos is the great way to improve your speaking English. So you can try. Okay, and today weather is slightly foggy. Okay, you can see behind me. Okay, some fog there, over there, and I am always practice uh, in every time. And morning walking is very helpful for our body, so that time I always I will try my best to walk in the morning, because without walking, without uh, any kind of physical exercise, you don't be able to uh, make your freshness and make your body healthier. So you can try your best to walk and physical exercise. Okay, and today I tried say something again like before, because without talking, without say something, you don't be able to success in your English journey. Okay, so last night there are some educationists in our area. They always want to good to younger people. There are lots of younger people in our village. They met with the educationist, because they asked me what our plan, what our future plan. So we explained our something. Okay, so every people tried to say something in front of them, but whenever they came to me to say something, but I couldn't say something, because I can't talk to everyone. I am not habituated to in public speaking, so that's why I couldn't talk. But I have to recover, I have to cope with the problem, because I want to talk in front of everyone. I want to talk 100 people, thousands of people. So it's very important. And you can see behind me, it is Nafizullah. He doing exercise. He in this morning time he riding the cycle, and so it's very good for our body, riding the cycle. Okay, so it's very important every day. And I want to cope with my shyness, because shyness is a thing that everyone have. But good shyness also good, also bad, because some shyness have don't give you do something, it's very bad. But which is very good will be for you. You have to try your best to talk, to say, to doing something. Okay, so I have to do something in my future, so that's why I always try my best. Okay, and you can see behind me today is foggy. Okay, today fog. Okay, but right now it's going on summer vacation, summer days, but we didn't get any kind of rain. Rain is very important for our environment, for our atmosphere, because without raining, without water, our trees, our fruit trees don't be able to grow enough, and don't give us some fruit. Because we can see that lots, like right now, some breeding mango, they are falling down because of water. So much important. Okay, so you also try your best in your speaking English to improve. Okay, and I'm also every day trying to improve my English speaking. Okay, I will come again in front of you to improve our English speaking, to improve my English speaking. Till then, goodbye.